Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your footage and environment. Ensure your clips are already 60 frames per second or higher so you preserve motion clarity. Once done, use Clipchamp in a modern browser for full export support. Next, import files and immediately set project settings to 60 FPS. This tells the editor how to process timebase. You do this now because changing later can introduce artifacts. Make sure your source frame rate matches, or is an integer multiple to avoid jitter. Now you proceed to the middle steps where motion integrity matters. Keep clips at normal speed when they are native 60. Changing speed creates frame interpolation or duplicates. Use GPU-accelerated transitions and avoid heavy CPU filters that force frame blending. Also, enable high-quality previews so you can spot stutter before export. While editing, watch playback performance. If frames skip, reduce preview resolution rather than changing project frame rate. This maintains a consistent finish by exporting with explicit settings. Choose 60 FPS in the export dialog, pick resolution 1080p or higher, and set a high bitrate so motion remains crisp. Once exported, verify with a reliable player like VLC and inspect codec details to confirm 60. If the file reverts to 30, clear browser cache, reopen Clipchamp, or use the Microsoft desktop app to force proper encoding. One key tip: mismatched source frame rates often cause downconversion, so reconvert sources first if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.